Okay, Assalamualaikum. And this we will do the meeting two. So for the meeting two, we need to prepare a virtual presentation using Google Meet to walk through the database structure and explain how it supports the solution to problem 4.5. Alright, this is our problem 4.5. Okay, so I will do for the sales first. Alright, the first one we need to click the design view, then name the table as sales. Alright, first we put the invoice. Invoice is short text. Next, sale. Sale date is date time. Sales person is short text. Customer ID is short text. And amount is currency. Alright, after that, we go to the data sheet view and need to save the table now. Then we put the invoice 101, sales date 2018. The salesperson is Wilson. Customer ID 1000. And the amount is 1549. Alright, this is for invoice number 1 and need to continue until invoice 108. Alright. The next is for the next is for customer.
Okay, next part is how we do a customer. So first thing first, click on the design view, and the table name is customer. And click OK. So in the first row, in the field name, key in customer ID. And next is customer name. Next is city, state, and last is credit limit. Okay, for the customer ID is short context, customer name, data type is short context also, city is short context, state is short context, and for the credit limit is number. So next, click on the datasheet view. Yes. So for the first row on the customer ID, key in this data, which is first row is stated that 1000. Enter. Customer name is Smith. Enter. The city is Phoenix. Enter. The state is AZ. Enter. And the credit limit is 2,500. And enter. So for the second row is 1001. And the customer name is Jones, and the city is St. Louis, and the state MO, and the credit limit is 1,500. So so for the 1002 and so on, okay, key in the data based on this problem 4.5 tables. So next part is inventory.
And then the next part is inventory. Just like what Arif and Siti Aisyah have done just now, we just insert all the particulars that related in the inventory tables. So for the first particular, which is items ID, data type is short text. Second one is description, also short text. Third one is standard cost. It will be labeled as a currency. The fourth one is list price, also a currency. And last but not least, quantity on hand. It will be labeled as a number. So after you have insert all the particulars in the table, you can save. So we are done with our tables. From that, we can just insert all the data that are given from the table 4.15. I give you an example. Uh, mm, so from the table, the first data, which is for inventories, are the items ID 1010, the description are blender, standard cost will be 14 ringgit, list price will be 29.95 ringgit, and the quantity will be 200. And yeah, that's how you put all the datas in the table, and we will do for the for the next item and so on. Yes, that is all for me.
Okay, so first you need to key in the field name. So firstly is invoice. Invoice is short text, and then item ID. Item ID also short text. Quantity. Quantity is number, and lastly sell price. Sell price is currency. And then you go to data sheet view, and then key in the data 101, item ID 1025, quantity 1, sell price 619.95. And then for the second item, invoice 101, 235, 849.9. Okay. Um. This notification pop up because of the invoice number is duplicate. So you need to change first, and then you go to design view, the invoice. You need to choose the primary key, and then go to datasheet view back, and then change the number according to the question 101. So you can go on fill in the data based on the question. That's all from me. All right. Thank you for our meeting tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, and we will be seeing in the next meeting.